Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the lookat function in Unity to make game objects dynamically face a specific target. What is Unity lookat? In Unity, the lookat function is used to make an object rotate so that its forward direction faces a specific target. This functionality is particularly useful in various gameplay scenarios where an object needs to dynamically orient itself towards another object or position. Use cases: enemy AI. Enemies can face the player before attacking. Turret or weapon systems. Turrets and weapons can automatically aim at a moving target. Camera control. Cameras can follow or focus on specific objects dynamically. User interfaces and navigation. Objects can be oriented towards points of interest within the scene. Now, let's take a look at a simple example of how we can use the lookat function in Unity. We declare a transform variable called target, which will be the object we want to look at. We have an object in our scene, and we want it to always face another object. To achieve this, we declare a public transform variable named target, which will be the object we want to look at. Inside the update function, we use transform.lookat target. This makes sure our object is always looking at the target in real time. Now, let's test it and see how it works. Yes, as you can see, our character is constantly focusing on the cube no matter where it moves. This ensures that the object dynamically adjusts its rotation to always face the target in real time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.